Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay yung continuation ng Chapter 2 which is all about sequences, series, and sigma notation. This time, the lesson is about the special sequences. Under this lesson, we have the following topics: the arithmetic sequence, the geometric sequence, the harmonic sequence, and the Fibonacci sequence. Let's start with the arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence where the difference between the two consecutive terms is constant. That is called common difference. For example, we have 20, 22, 24, and so on and so forth. Ang 20 is the first term, 22 is the second term, 24 is the third term, then a sub n is the last term. Kahit tatlo lang yung ating terms, makikita na din natin yung common difference. Between 20 and 22, ang difference nila ay 2. Between 22 and 24, ang difference din ay 2. Ibig sabihin, hanggang last term, ang common difference nila ay 2. 2 is the common difference, i-represent natin siya as small d. Let's proceed on the general formula of arithmetic sequence. The general formula for arithmetic sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Na kung saan, yung a sub 1 is the first term, a sub n is the nth term, and letter D is the common difference. For the arithmetic series is the summation of arithmetic sequence. The formula for arithmetic series is S sub n is equal to n times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n all over 2. Na kung saan yung a sub 1 is first term, yung a sub n is the last term, and n is the number of terms. Pwede rin natin gamitin yung formula na S sub n is equal to n times the quantity of 2a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d all over 2. Itong unang formula, pwede natin gamitin kapag meron na tayong first term, last term, at yung number of terms. Ito namang nasa kanan, pwede natin gamitin kung ang given ay first term, number of terms, at common difference. Let's proceed on example. Example number 1, we have a sequence of 20, 22, 24. We all know that this is arithmetic sequence kasi meron tayong common difference na 2. Ang first term ay 20, a sub n is the nth term, and d is equal to 2. Determine the formula of the sequence. Remember that the general formula of arithmetic sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. I-substitute natin yung first term, a sub 1, at yung common difference na d. We have a sub n is equal to 20 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times 2. Ito ngayon, yung formula ng ating given sequence. Next, gamitin natin itong formula na to para makuha yung iba't ibang terms ng sequence. Halimbawa, determine the following. Letter A, the 10th term. Pag sinabi natin 10th term, n is equal to 10. We're going to substitute 10 sa value ng n. This is our formula. Substitute natin yung 10. That would be a sub 10 is equal to 20 plus the quantity of 10 minus 1 times 2. Ang 10 minus 1 is 9 times 2 is 18. That is 20 plus 18. The answer is 38. Therefore, the 10th term is 38. Next, letter B. What is the 20th term? Pag sinabi natin 20th term, n is equal to 20. ito ulit yung ating formula. Substitute natin yung 20 sa n. We have a sub 20 is equal to 20 plus the quantity of 20 minus 1 times 2. Ang 20 minus 1 is 19 times 2 is 38. We have 20 plus 38. 20 plus 38 is 58. Therefore, the 20th term is 58. Next, determine the 30th term. Pag sinabi natin 30th term, n is equal to 30. Ito ulit yung ating formula. Substitute 30 sa value ng n. That would be a sub 30 is equal to 20 plus the quantity of 30 minus 1 times 2. 30 minus 1 is 29 times 2 is 58. That is 20 plus 58. The answer is 78. Therefore, the 30th term is 78. Now for letter D, the instruction is find the sum of first to 30th terms. Ibig sabihin, the first term is 20, the 30th term is 78. Find the summation from first term up to the 30th term. Silang lahat ay total terms of 30. I-substitute natin itong a sub 1, a sub 30 at n sa ating formula ng arithmetic series. Ang formula natin dyan is s sub n is equal to n times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n all over 2. That would be s sub 30 is equal to 30 times the quantity of 20 plus 78 all over 2. The answer is 1,470. Therefore, the summation of first 30 terms from first term up to the 30th terms is 1,470.